Hi everyone, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing again. Have another small block Mopar on the test stand. This one here is a 7340 and it's going to Truman in Leland, Illinois. The rotating assembly in this thing consists of a stock OEM forged crank, 1010, reconditioned rods, and the pistons are KB243. The heads are J heads. They've been extensively ported and they're polished. It has 202 intakes and 160 exhaust, and the valve stems are 11/32 to give it just a bit more flow. The cam in this one is a Lunati flat tappet. Truman wanted to go a flat tappet cam, and the specs on it are right here. It's actually a fairly mild cam, good for the street. I think he said he's putting this one in a Challenger, and it would feel right at home in a Challenger, that's for sure. So let's start this up for Truman. Idling at 900, 65 or so oil pressure. And there's Truman's 7340. Thanks for watching.